Have you ever pondered the mysteries of space and the role NASA plays in unraveling them? Our universe is a vast expanse of undiscovered wonders, and NASA, the pioneering agency of space exploration, tirelessly works to delve into these cosmic enigmas. From distant galaxies to our neighboring planets, NASA's efforts have immensely contributed to our understanding of the universe. Today, prepare to have your mind expanded as we count down 7 little-known facts about NASA. Starting at number 7, did you know NASA sent a golden record into space? Yes, it's true. In the late 70s, NASA launched 2 spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, each carrying an identical golden disc. These weren't your typical records, though. They were time capsules, intended to communicate the story of our world to extraterrestrials. The golden records contain sounds and images that portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth. From the music of Beethoven to the sounds of a baby crying, from greetings in 55 languages to the image of a supermarket, these records were a snapshot of humanity as it was then. The idea was simple, yet profound. If these spacecraft were ever found by intelligent life forms from other planetary systems, they could use the golden records to understand who we were. So, if any extraterrestrials are out there, they have a chance to learn about us. Coming in at number 6, the moon has a smell, and it's not cheese. Now this might sound like a joke, but it's a genuine fact reported by none other than the Apollo astronauts themselves. Imagine this. You've just returned from a moonwalk, you're peeling off your spacesuit, and suddenly, you're hit with an unexpected scent. According to the astronauts, lunar dust, which they inadvertently brought back into the lunar module on their suits and boots, has a peculiar smell. It's not unpleasant, but it's definitely unique. It's been described as spent gunpowder, the aftermath of a fireworks show, or the air after a thunderstorm. What causes this smell? Scientists theorize that it might be the result of a process called lunar weathering. This is where elements like helium and neon, implanted by the solar wind, react with the lunar soil. So, stepping out on the moon might not be as odorless as you'd think. Imagine the scent of gunpowder every time you step outside your lunar module. Halfway through, at number 5, the longest spaceflight was not by an American. An intriguing fact, isn't it? The record for the longest single spaceflight is held by a Russian astronaut, Valery Polyakov. The year was 1994 when he embarked on a mission aboard the Soyuz spacecraft, destined for the Mir space station. He spent a staggering 437 days, that's over 14 continuous months, in the unfathomable vastness of space. Imagine for a moment the solitude, the view of Earth from such a distance, the weightlessness. It's an experience beyond the comprehension of most. Polyakov's mission was primarily to understand the effects of long-duration spaceflight on the human body, a crucial aspect for future interplanetary missions. His record still stands today, a testament to human endurance and the spirit of exploration. So let's raise a glass to Valery Polyakov, the man who literally lived among the stars. Imagine spending over 14 continuous months in space. At number 4, NASA's New Horizons probe is faster than a speeding bullet. Yes, you heard it right. This marvel of human technology is zipping through the cosmos at a breathtaking pace. Let's put it into perspective. A typical bullet travels at around 2,000 miles per hour. Now imagine something going nearly 30 times faster. That's the New Horizons probe for you, racing through the vast expanse of space at a whopping 58,000 miles per hour. It's like a car driving from Los Angeles to New York in just under 3 minutes, or a passenger plane circumnavigating the Earth in just under half an hour. The sheer speed of this space probe is mind-boggling. It's like nothing we've ever created before. So next time you're stuck in traffic, just remember, there's a machine built by us, humans, out there in space, traveling faster than you can even imagine. That's a speed that would make even Superman envious. Coming in at number 3, did you know NASA has a Galactic GPS? Now, we're not talking about the kind of GPS that helps you navigate your way to the nearest coffee shop. This is on a much grander scale. NASA's Interstellar Boundary Explorer, or IBEX for short, is a marvel of modern science. This small spacecraft operates from Earth's orbit, and it has a very special mission. It maps the boundary between our solar system and the vast expanse of interstellar space. IBEX is equipped with sensors that detect energetic neutral atoms. These atoms are the byproduct of collisions between solar wind particles and interstellar medium particles. By mapping these atoms, IBEX creates a sort of roadmap of the heliosphere, the protective bubble of particles and magnetic fields created by the sun. Just imagine, a GPS that doesn't just cover our planet, but the entire solar system and beyond. Never fear getting lost in space again. At number 2, space travel comes with a hefty price tag. Exploring the cosmos isn't as simple as hopping in a car and hitting the road. It requires vast resources, cutting-edge technology, and a hefty investment. Consider this: the Apollo missions that sent astronauts to the moon in the late 60s and early 70s cost about $25 billion. That's over $150 billion in today's dollars. And that was just to get us to our nearest celestial neighbor. As we set our sights further, the price tag grows exponentially. The Mars missions planned for the future are projected to cost hundreds of billions of dollars. This includes the cost of designing and building spacecraft, training astronauts, and maintaining the support systems needed for these ambitious endeavors. Space travel is an expensive business, but it's also a gateway to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Next time you complain about gas prices, think about the cost of a trip to Mars.